Let's just focus on the actuator. This is a WB 5900 trailer. Now these are an inertia actuator. They're not new in Australia. They've been around for years. This one's rated to 3,400 kilo. On that one there, it's 50 mil ball. Now you've got this cable here. Now this is your breakaway cable. So let's say the trailer detaches from the vehicle. This will get pulled and then it'll jam your brakes on so you can't actually move the trailer. Other little things are that, oh, this is very important. There's two wires here. One's an earth wire. The other one goes to a reversing solenoid. So what happens there is when you put the car in reverse, it sends a signal to the solenoid to shut off the brake fluid from going through to your disc brakes. But you've got to ensure that the car itself has had this wire connected. A lot of cars in Australia, they don't bother with it. So you've got to make sure that when you do that, that the reversing wire is connected on the car, on the socket, so that when you plug this all in, it works the system. So you can imagine if that's not happening, you reverse the vehicle, this pushes the brake fluid into the actual disc brakes, jams your brakes on. You won't be able to move the car. Once you jam those brakes on, it can't relieve the pressure. So the only way to relieve that pressure is to either bleed it from here, like get to reduce the pressure out of the line, or go to the back here and reduce the pressure on one of the disc brakes. Other things is the chain. This is the new super heavy duty chain that we have to use on these. These is about 8-ton chain, but you've got to have a minimum of 2 by 3.5 ton. Other little things. These here, you just got to put a light bit of grease into those every now and then. We've now put split pins in because everyone used to tighten these up. If you tighten those up, they've got to have a little bit of wiggle room because the idea is they roll backwards and forwards. If you tighten that up, brakes won't work. It's the same again. You're going to back the vehicle on, you lift up your tab, you drop the brake, drop the vehicle down, lock that in. That's good. Now, if you're unsure, if you don't want to use the brakes, you got this one here, which is you slide that in there, and that will also stop it. If you don't have reversing or anything, you can do that, and that'll stop that from moving and jamming up your brakes. So that's your actuator.